Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain custom component events. So already in last previous videos, I have explained how to create the props in Vue. So props will help you to make communication between parent component and child component. So which is mainly used to make communication from parent to child. So what is the use of props? It is mainly used to make some communication from parent to child. So the custom events which will help you to make communication from child to parent. Okay, this is the difference here. So I'm going to explain this concept now. So before that, this is pop-up view. This is my child component. So create pop-up component. So in the template section, just I have included one header h2 and a button close. Okay, this is my custom event close, and this is the name of the component. Okay, and in the app.view import this pop-up, and this is the in the template section, this is your custom component, and components in the components property mention the name of the component pop-up. That's all. First save this file, and yes, this is a pop-up and close is a button. Now what we have to do, first assign data property called so here just I am going to assign display pop-up. Initially the value of this property is false. Okay, so display pop-up, initially the value of this property is false, and go to the template section. So in the pop-up you can use vshow directive. So vshow equal to display pop-up, vshow equal to display pop-up equal to display pop-up. So here what is the value of the display pop-up? False. So initially the value of this property is false, so it will not display anything. So what we have to do now, you can include a button here. If you click it, the value of this display pop-up, the value of this display pop-up should be changed to true. Okay, and give the name of the button open pop-up. Open pop-up. So save this file, and now go to the browser. Here open pop-up button. If I click this button, it will open the pop-up box. Okay, suppose if I want to close this pop-up, just click this button. Okay, so this is the concept here. So now what we have to do, go to the pop-up dot view, and you can use emit, which is used to emit the close event. Okay, to the parent. So in the data, in the script, you can use emits equal to, what is the custom event here? Close. So close is the custom event here. So emits colon close. This is the syntax. And here in the button, if you click it, it should be closed. So it emits the custom event. Here the custom event is close event. So at click, if you click this button, it emits the close. So close, it's a custom event here. So at click equal to emit. This is the special instance variable to emit this event. Okay, so at click equal to dollar emit. This is a special instance variable to emit this event. So now save this and go to the app.view, and here what we have to do, the initial value of this display pop-up is false. If you click this button, the value it will be changed to true, right? So again, if you close if you click that close button, the pop-up should be closed. So for that, you can change the value of this value, this variable, that is display pop-up. So if you at close, so this is our event, custom event, display pop-up. So the initial value is false. If you click this button, it will display the pop-up box. Again, if you close this, if you click that close button, then the pop-up box will be closed. This is a concept here. That close, it's our custom event. Okay, so it emits the custom event. The event name is close. So here the child is pop-up. It emits the custom event. Okay, so at close equal to display pop-up to false. So set this value as false. Okay. So here put comma. Now go to the browser. If you click this open pop-up, the pop-up will be opened. And if you click this close button, the close, it's your custom event. So it closes this pop-up box. Okay, so now we can clearly understand that the props will help you to make communication from parent to child. So here this emit, which emits the custom event from child to parent. So here the custom event is close. Okay, just try this program.